By 2023, AI is set to automate over 80% of software development tasks, revolutionizing the tech landscape. Companies like GitHub Copilot and DeepCode are leading this charge, enabling developers to code faster and more efficiently. Traditional coding methods face obsolescence as AI redefines the entire software creation process. Imagine a world where AI handles over 60% of routine coding tasks. This isn't science fiction. Companies like GitHub Copilot leverage machine learning to suggest code snippets, automating complex processes. Traditional coders face a paradigm shift as AI redefines roles, enhancing creativity and reducing repetitive work. Today, artificial intelligence is transforming software development, making traditional coding less dominant. With tools like GitHub Copilot and OpenAI's Codex, developers can automate routine tasks and enhance innovation. This shift doesn't just streamline processes, it redefines programming, offering a glimpse into a future where AI-driven solutions are the norm. Since the early days of computing, coding has been the language through which humans communicate with machines. In the 1940s, programmers relied on punch cards to instruct computers, a painstakingly slow process. Fast forward to today, and we have high-level languages like Python and Java, which power companies like Google and Netflix, enabling them to handle vast amounts of data and complex computations. Despite this evolution, the core principle remains. Humans must tell computers what to do through code, a method that's now being transformed by artificial intelligence. The transformation of coding by artificial intelligence is fueled by three key developments. First, computational power has exploded. Think of NVIDIA GPUs delivering over a petaflop of processing capability. Second, the sheer volume of available big data is unprecedented. Facebook alone generates 4 petabytes of new data daily. Lastly, the sophistication of machine learning algorithms has dramatically improved, as seen in OpenAI's GPT-4, which excels in natural language processing. These elements have aligned perfectly, allowing AI to learn and automate intricate coding processes that were once solely human endeavors. AI's impact on software development is transforming the industry. Tools like GitHub Copilot and IntelliJ IDEA's AI assistant are revolutionizing coding with intelligent suggestions that accelerate development. According to a 2023 survey, developers using AI-assisted tools reported a 30% increase in productivity. Testing and debugging are also being redefined through AI. IBM's Watson and Google's DeepMind are spearheading innovations in these areas, predicting errors and optimizing code with unprecedented accuracy. This isn't just an evolution, but a paradigm shift. AI is fundamentally altering how we approach software craftsmanship. Imagine a world where writing code is as intuitive as having a conversation. This is rapidly becoming reality, thanks to AI-powered development tools like GitHub Copilot and OpenAI's Codex. These groundbreaking systems leverage advanced language models to transform the coding experience. GitHub Copilot, for instance, uses the power of OpenAI's Codex to turn natural language prompts into functional code. By simply describing what you want your code to do, Copilot can auto-complete lines, suggest complex functions, and even generate entire blocks of code. In real-world applications, developers using GitHub Copilot have reported productivity boosts of over 50%. This isn't just about speed, it's also about precision. By automatically handling routine coding tasks, these tools reduce human error, streamlining the development process. Imagine you're working on a Python project. Simply typing "create a function to calculate Fibonacci numbers" can result in a fully functioning script popping up before your eyes. The impact is profound. With routine tasks automated, developers can elevate their focus to solving intricate problems and innovating new solutions. AI is not just a tool, it's a catalyst for reimagining what's possible in software development. AI is revolutionizing software development by automating routine coding tasks, a transformation that is both profound and inevitable. Let's take a look at automated testing frameworks, such as Selenium and Test Complete. These tools can execute thousands of test cases in minutes, ensuring software reliability and performance, well beyond what human testers could achieve in the same time frame. Then there's AI-driven bug fixing. GitHub Copilot, powered by OpenAI's Codex, can suggest bug fixes and optimizations, significantly reducing the time developers spend on troubleshooting. This AI assistant can predict and resolve bugs in real time, turning what was once a labor-intensive process into a streamlined workflow. Deployment automation is another game changer. Tools like Jenkins and Circle CI work seamlessly with AI to handle complex deployment tasks that traditionally required meticulous human oversight. With these tools, developers can deploy updates and new features with just a few clicks, all while minimizing the risk of errors. As these AI tools handle the mundane, developers are liberated to focus on innovation and creativity, driving projects forward with groundbreaking ideas and solutions that were previously constrained by time-consuming tasks. Quality assurance plays an essential role in software development. It ensures the reliability and performance of software before it reaches the end user. In the past, this process heavily relied on manual testing, which was time-consuming and often prone to human error. Today, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing QA by predicting potential bugs, suggesting improvements, and guaranteeing code quality. For example, Deep Code, acquired by Sneak in 2020, employs machine learning algorithms to analyze code bases, identifying bug risks and optimization opportunities. With a database of over 250,000 rules, Deep Code provides real-time suggestions, catching vulnerabilities and bugs that might escape human eyes. Using AI in QA isn't just about finding bugs faster. It's about ensuring that software is delivered as robust and secure as possible. Tools like Microsoft's IntelliCode leverage AI to enhance code reviews by offering intelligent code suggestions based on best practices from thousands of open-source GitHub projects. By reducing the need for extensive manual testing, these AI solutions allow developers to concentrate their efforts on innovation and creativity. As a result, project timelines shrink, quality improves, and software delivery becomes more reliable than ever before. AI technologies like OpenAI's Codex and Google's AlphaCode are redefining how algorithms are crafted. Traditionally, software developers would spend countless hours hand-coding complex algorithms to solve specific problems. However, AI can now generate these algorithms by analyzing vast data sets and understanding the desired outputs, transforming the landscape of software development. Consider Google's AlphaCode, which has demonstrated the ability to outperform approximately 54% of human coders on competitive programming platforms. This level of efficiency is not just theoretical. Companies like IBM and Microsoft are actively integrating AI-generated algorithms to streamline their operations. For instance, IBM has leveraged AI to optimize supply chain logistics, resulting in a 20% increase in efficiency, while Microsoft's AI-powered code completion tool, GitHub Copilot, assists developers by offering suggested lines of code, significantly reducing development time. This innovation suggests a future where the skills of traditional coding may become less central, shifting focus onto understanding AI systems and interpreting their outputs. As AI continues to evolve, the role of the developer transforms, embracing oversight and strategic decision-making over manual coding tasks. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the design phase in software development, dramatically cutting down the time and effort traditionally required. Tools like Adobe Sensei and Figma's AI-driven features can automatically generate UI layouts, adapting them to best fit the user's needs. These tools don't just stop at creation, they provide on-the-fly suggestions for design improvements based on real-time user interaction data. Take Airbnb, for example. They've leveraged AI to transform their sketch designs into fully coded products at lightning speed, reducing the design-to-code process by up to 90%. Furthermore, platforms like Wizard allow designers to turn hand-drawn sketches into digital prototypes in a matter of seconds. This not only accelerates the design process, but also bridges the gap between designers and developers, ensuring that user interfaces are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. As a result, AI-driven design tools are democratizing the world of design, empowering even those without technical expertise to create professional standard prototypes. In this new era, the creative, iterative process is becoming more streamlined and intuitive, marking a significant shift from traditional methods. AI's integration into software development is reshaping the industry landscape, but not without significant challenges. One major concern is job displacement. According to a 2023 report from Goldman Sachs, up to 300 million full-time jobs worldwide could be automated with current technology. While AI tools like GitHub's Copilot accelerate coding by suggesting entire lines or blocks of code, they also raise questions about the future role of human developers. Ethical use of AI-generated code is another pressing issue. Imagine a scenario where AI inadvertently generates biased code. This isn't far-fetched. In 2018, Amazon had to scrap an AI recruiting tool that demonstrated unintended gender bias in its recommendations. Biases embedded in AI algorithms can perpetuate systemic discrimination unless developers actively work to identify and correct them. Companies like Google are pioneering fairness in AI with initiatives like the What If tool in TensorFlow, which helps visualize the impact of bias. Navigating these challenges requires a commitment to responsible AI practices. Collaboration between developers, ethicists, and policymakers will be crucial in crafting guidelines that ensure AI serves as a force for positive change rather than unintended consequences. In this evolving landscape, AI is transforming the role of developers from traditional coders to strategic innovators. According to GitHub, over 30% of new code is now suggested by AI tools like GitHub Copilot, freeing developers to focus on creative problem-solving. Tesla, for instance, uses AI to streamline software updates for their vehicles, emphasizing innovation over mundane tasks. AI is transforming software development by accelerating processes and fostering innovation. Take GitHub Copilot, for example. It can auto-generate code from comments, boosting productivity by 55% for developers. Meanwhile, Google's TensorFlow and OpenAI's Codex are making machine learning more accessible, enabling robust predictive models with just a few lines of code. As AI handles repetitive tasks, developers are free to focus on complex problem-solving and creativity. The challenge lies in learning to synergize with AI, tapping into its vast potential to redefine what's possible in software development. As AI increasingly shapes the software landscape, developers need to transition from traditional coding to leveraging AI tools like GitHub Copilot and OpenAI's ChatGPT. These tools can boost productivity by up to 50% by automating repetitive tasks and suggesting intelligent code snippets. By embracing AI, programmers can focus on innovation and creativity, unlocking vast opportunities in creating smarter applications and systems, thus ensuring they stay competitive in a rapidly evolving industry. The transformation from traditional coding to AI-driven development is not just a prediction. It's happening today. With tools like GitHub Copilot and Google's AutoML, we're witnessing code generation and optimization on a new scale. In fact, a 2023 survey revealed that 45% of developers now use AI tools daily. Embrace this shift by continually expanding your skills, ensuring you're prepared to integrate these powerful technologies into your projects.